Michelle Berkley, I'm 54, I'm from Manchester, England, and I've been living in Paris for 17 years. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or even if you didn't, please subscribe, press the ding-a-ling-a-lingy thing so you know about future videos. I'd be really grateful if you could support me. I'm about to launch a range of gourmet jams that I have developed with farmers in the south of France. So if you're interested in following that journey as well as following me here on YouTube, please follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link down below. It's Emelby Lifestyle Blog Paris. Bye for now.